Hello, guys, and welcome again to this edition of Learning with Rich. In this topic, we are going to continue our discussion about conceptual design. Last time, I taught you how to add massing shapes for your conceptual design, right? So, I taught you how to create basic mass by extrusion, swept blend, void extrusion, void sweep, revolve. Okay, so those are the commands that I have taught you for you to be able to create a conceptual mass. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so this is a mass. So this time around, I'm going to teach you how to convert massing shapes to your building components. Okay, so again, this is in preparation for our certified Revit architecture professional examination. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first um exercise that we are going to do is I'm going to teach you how to create floors in our mass. Okay, because again there is a question in your examination wherein you will be asked to create a mass floor. Okay, so how to create a mass floor from your mass. So to do that, okay, it's simple. All you have to do is to select your mass, and then from your tab here, you can see there your model panel. There is your mass floors. Okay, your mass floors will be based on the number of levels that you have on your project. So if you have 11 levels, so you will be able to create 11 mass floors. Okay, so what's that again? How to do that? So you just need to select your mass, and then you just need to select mass floors. Just need to select that, and then you just need to select here the levels that you want to create your mass floor. Okay, so let's say for example, I only want to create from level 1 to level 10. Okay, I do not want to include my level 11 as that will be my roof. So I do not want to create a mass floor. So I only want level 1 to level 10. So I'm going to check this. Okay, so you just need to check the level that you want to use for you to be able to create your mass floor. So if the examination asks you to create mass floor on level 2, so you need to check only level 2, select level 2, and then you just need to select the box here. Okay? But in my case, I'm going to select all except 11, and then I'm going to click any of the boxes here, and then it will now be selected. So after that, you just need to select OK, right? So as you can see, there's now your mass floor. And the question in the examination, after you create your mass floor, the next thing that you need to do is you need to select the level. Let's say, for example, you will be asked for your level 5. So this is my level 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to select level 5, for example, in the examination. And then for you to be able to select that, you need to press tab because as you can see, it highlights my mass. So I want to highlight my mass floor here. So I'm going to press tab. Okay, let me repeat. Move your pointer to your mass. Okay, and then you press tab. So you will notice after you press tab, it will highlight the mass floor, the level 5. So after it highlights, you just need to select that. And then this is the question that is being asked in your examination. You will be asked what is the floor perimeter, what is the floor area, what is the exterior surface area, or the floor volume. Okay? It's very simple. As long as you know how to select your mass floor, okay, this will be a sure points for you. Okay? So you just need to hover your pointer to the level that you want and then press tab and then click. That's it. You just selected your level 6 and then these are now the properties that you can use to answer your question. Okay? So that's how you create your mass floor. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to convert these mass floor to floor elements. Okay? So that is what we are going to do. We are going to convert these mass floors to floor elements. So to do that, let's say I'm going to open here an elevation like, let's say east elevation. I'm going to open this one. Okay. Right. And then after that, I'm going to select now my model by face. Okay, make sure you are on the massing and site tab. Look for model and face, and then you just look for floor by face. So I'm just going to select this one, okay, and then make sure select multiple is selected. So you can specify here the offset distance. Let's say, for example, the offset distance is 300. Oops, sorry, 300. Okay, so 300, and then select multiple. So I'm going to select now my level 2, let's say my level 2 up to level 10. There you go. Okay. And then after that, you just need to select here, create floor. I did not include my level 1. I only want level 2 to level 10. And then after that, select create floor. There you go. So let me just change the visual style to wireframe so you can see the floor. Okay, and then modify. As you can see, there's now the floor that we just created. And if you are going to measure from this point to this point, that is your offset distance 300. 1, 2. You see? That's the offset distance. Okay, so you can specify offset distance. Let's say if you do not want to intersect your wall and then your floor. So you can specify offset distance. So in 3D view, this is how it looks like. You see? You just converted your mass floor to floor elements. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to convert mass faces to roof. Okay. So as you can see, let's say, for example, this is my roof here. So I want to convert this face here. I want to convert this face here, this one, the top portion to roof. Okay. I'm going to convert mass faces to roofs. So to do that, again, you just need to go to the massing inside, model by face, and then you can see there roof. Okay, so let me just open my properties. Right, so I'm going to select now the roof by face, and then I'm going to change the type here. Let's say generic 400 mm. Okay, and then I'm going to select now this floor here. This face here to convert to roof. So I'm going to select this. There you go. I'm going to orbit, and then I'm going to select this as well. Click this one. There you go. So after you select the face that you want to convert to roof, same procedure just like your floor, you just need to select here, create roof. Just click that one, and you will now see that it will be converted to roof element. Okay, so I'm not going to terminate yet my roof by face tool. So this time around, I'm going to change my type here to slope glazing. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to select this one. Okay, just click this one. And then after that, create roof. There you go. See? Okay, right? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create, let me just terminate first my tool here. So I'm going to create this time. So after I create my roof, so this time I'm going to create curtain system. So I'm going to select curtain system by face, and then this is the type that I'm going to use. Let me just check the property. So it's 1500 by 1500. So I'm going to use this one. So let me just close this. I'm going to select OK. Now, so I'm going to select the element that I want to convert. Okay, so let's say, for example, this face here, I want to convert to curtain system. So I'm going to click this face, one, orbit a bit. I'm going to click the other half, two, orbit. I'm going to click this face here, three. That's it. And then I'm going to select also the faces here. One, two, three. Okay. So basically, I selected this face here, this face, this face. So I want to convert that to curtain system. So I just need to select create system. There you go. And then I'm going to select here, modify. Okay. So little by little, you are able to convert your mass to building elements. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to convert mass faces to solid walls and curtain walls. Okay. So for me to do that, again, from the massing inside, model by face, I'm going to select here wall by face. So I'm going to select this one, and from the type selector, I'm going to use brick wall exterior brick on metal stud. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, and make sure this is selected. Pick faces. I'm going to pick this face here to convert. One, see, two, three. What else? So I want to convert this also. Four. So maybe this face. Do I have a face here? Let me convert this one. Okay, so probably something like that. Okay, and I'm going to change the type here. I'm not going to terminate the tool. Let me just change the type. Let's say storefront. So I'm going to select here the storefront. Where's the storefront? This one. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so I'm going to pick this face here, this one, and then this one. Okay, and let me convert this also, this face here. One, two. Okay, and this face here also. Let me click this. There you go. Okay, so that's it. So basically, I just converted my whole conceptual mass shape to building components. So basically, that's how you do it. Okay, so make sure you have a mass, and then you just need to go to massing inside, and then you can see here model by face. So this is one of the topics that is being discussed in your examination. Okay, let me just convert this face here also. Floor, and select this face. Create floor. There you go. Okay, so this is how you convert your mass, conceptual mass, to your building components. So after you do that, after you convert your mass to building components, so you can now turn off the visibility of your conceptual mass. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. I think I forgot to place a face here. I mean the wall here. So let me just turn on again the conceptual mass, curtain system. So I'm going to select this face and then create system. Okay, or let me just undo that. Let me try wall, massing inside, wall, curtain wall storefront. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this one. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to turn off again my mass. Right. Okay. So basically, this is how you convert your mass to a your conceptual mass to building components. Hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, comment, or suggestion, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to join my Facebook. I just created a Facebook page for Learning with Rich. You just need to search for Learning with Rich to your Facebook and you can join the community there. Thank you guys and have a nice day.